Are you filming it? Yeah. This is Rob, Pete, and Alan filming an egg in the microwave. Oh my god, it's falling off! Wait.
It's gonna blow up.
We need like a stand to put it on. Yeah. Oh, hold on, put it on this.
Rob.
Okay, let's go.
I've seen a video on you with Ray.
It's gonna blow! Keep it steady in case it. So, like, get a bit closer.
The pressure's just building up inside.
That's it. Oh, this is gonna be so funny. It's gonna blow! It's gonna blow all over the thing.
How long do you think it'll take?
I don't know, it could blow any second. No! No, it doesn't take that long.
Don't jerk your hand.
Oh no, it's stuck. It's jammed.
Oh well, the heat's still going.
It's jammed.
Don't get out now, it will explode if you get it out now.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that what happened?
Yeah, I've seen it on YouTube frame.
What, so if you take it out now?
Yeah.
Really? Oh god!
That
Something happened.
That was the first explosion.
It's gonna.
You're cooking the stuff in the pot as well.
It's going all oh shh. It's going all steamy. It's going all steamy. Hold on, wait, let's check it out.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. It's all condensated. Oh, that. It's because it's got like. Oh. Hold on.
Got some
Put
full
it on
bags to
there.
that. The
Put
gift
it
of
on
eggs.
there.
It slopes down all our faces. Like,
Put
No,
it
just put it in the middle, man. You can't go.
it's already had one explosion.
We have 3 minutes 55 seconds left.
Oh, it's rolled off again.
This heat's still there.
It'll still blow up.
Rob, it's
Can
already
you see it?
been
Yeah.
popped.
Put it a bit closer. It
It
hasn't.
It has. That's why it all went.
It hasn't. Oh god. Oh, it's coming out a bit. There's a bit of the egg there. Oh, it's gonna blow. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's oh, look at this! Oh my god! Oh my god! What an explosion!